right? So in this video we will discuss exercise 4.2 problems from 8th problem onwards. Already in the last video up to 8th first bit I solved already. So from today from 8th second bit onwards we will discuss. Your LHS is determinant of, your question number 2 is 1 determinant of 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube. Here prove that a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Your LHS is given 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube. So what is in the previous question, if the first column contains each element is 1 1 1, we apply the properties R2 is, that means first these two elements become 0, convert these two as zeros. Suppose in this problem all the elements in the first row are 1 1 1, we use the properties C2 is, that means make these two as zeros. Your C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1. Suppose if the first column contains 1 1 1, we apply the properties R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 is R3 minus R1. If the first row contains 1 1 1, so make these two as zeros, that is R2 column 2 element minus column 1 element, and column 3 element minus column 1 element, these two become zeros. So when we observe in the first row elements are 1 1 1, directly without hesitation we can take C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1. So applying these properties, first row, first column same 1a cube, second column is column 2 minus column 1, column 2 element minus column 1 element, that is 0, b minus a, b cube minus a cube. Next column 3 is column 3 minus column 1, column 3 minus column 1, 0, c minus a, c cube minus a cube. Here what is b cube minus a cube formula? B cube minus a cube is equal to b minus a into b square plus ab or ba plus a square. What is c cube minus a cube? C cube minus a cube is equal to c minus a into c square plus ac plus a square. So therefore this determinant becomes 1 0 0 a b minus a, that is minus of a minus b, because here a minus b is the common factor. C minus a, already c minus a is there, c minus a. Next a cube, here b cube minus a cube formula, b minus a into, that is minus of a minus b, so that is minus of a minus b into b square plus ba plus a square. And third is c cube minus a cube is c minus a into c square plus ac plus a square. In the second column a minus b is common, third column c minus a is common. So taking a minus b and c minus a common from C2 and C3 respectively. So therefore, so that becomes your LHS is, you're taking a minus b from C2, c minus a from C3. Your first column same 1a cube, second column becomes 0 minus 1 a minus b common, minus of b square plus BA or AB plus A square. So B square plus AB plus A square. And third column becomes 0, C minus A take outside, C minus A take outside, that is 1. Next C minus A take outside, C square plus AC plus A square. Right. So make this one as 0. So make this one as 0. One side of the principal diagonal elements are zeros. So how to make this one is 0? Your column 3 element plus column 2 element, that becomes 0. Here apply column 3 is column 3 plus column 2. So that becomes 1A cube, column 2 same, 0 minus 1 minus of B square plus AB plus A square. Third column becomes third column element plus second column element, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus minus 1, that is also 0. So C square, that is C square plus AC plus A square minus of this one. So sorry, column 3 element plus this element, that is plus into minus is minus B square minus AB minus A square. Here minus A square plus A square cancel, that is C square minus B square plus AC minus AB. Here C square minus B square is equal to C plus B into C minus B, plus here plus A is common, C minus B. Here C minus B is take outside, that is C plus B plus A. That can be written as minus of B minus C, minus of B, C minus B is equal to minus of B minus C into A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. So therefore this element, column 3 element plus column 2 element becomes minus B minus C, minus of B minus C into A plus B plus C. So clearly one side of the principal diagonal, all are zeros. The value of this determinant is 1 into minus 1 into minus, sorry, first already aitalla. So what is common? Here what is take outside? 1 minute. So take out A minus B, that is A minus B take outside, and B C minus A, C minus A. That is A minus B, C minus A already is there. So that is A minus B, C minus A. One side of the principal diagonal elements zeros, the value of determinant is, 1 into minus 1 into minus of B minus C into A plus B plus C. So that is minus into minus plus, 1 into B minus C is B minus C, that becomes A minus B into C minus A into minus plus B minus C into A plus B plus C. So that is right in order, A minus B, B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. So this is RHS. Question number 9. Question number 9. Prove that determinant of x square yz, y square zx, next z square xy, z square xy. So here prove that x minus y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Here to prove. Here LHS is determinant of x x square yz, y square zx, z square xy. Observe the RHS. RHS contains x minus y minus z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Here the four factors are there. How to get first factor is common. Our target is getting x minus y is the common factor. Suppose here column 1 is, R1 is R1 minus R2, x minus y, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y, yz minus zx, z common togondre y minus x. So we get x minus y is common. So applying R1 is R1 minus R2, we get x minus y is the common factor along R1. Next we required y minus z. Suppose here y minus z, R2, and apply second property, R2 is R2 minus R3, that becomes y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy. We get y minus z is common. So therefore applying these two properties, so determinant becomes x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Second row becomes y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy. Third row same, z square xy. In the first row, what is common? X minus y, x square minus y square into x plus y into x minus y. Here z is common, y minus x. Therefore if you take x minus y common, so here taking x minus y from R1, y minus z, and y minus z common from R1 and R2 respectively. So this becomes x minus y take outside, that becomes 1. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. X minus y take outside. Here take x minus y from R1 and this y minus z from R2. So here first row becomes 1, that is x plus y. Here z minus yz minus zx. So z common tagondre. So z into y minus x, that is minus z into x minus y. So therefore if you take x minus y take outside, that becomes minus z. Y minus z take outside, 1, y plus z. Next x common tagondre, z minus y, but we need y minus z, so that is minus x, z, third row z square xy. Next we require z minus x. How to get z minus x? Suppose here x plus y minus z, that is x minus z minus of minus plus x, that is x minus z, or minus of x minus z, or R2 is y plus z minus x minus y, z minus x minus of minus z plus z, we get z minus x. Applying R2 is R2 minus R1. So applying this property, so second row contains y minus z minus x common. So that is x minus y minus z into your first column, first row 1 minus 1, 0. Second row, first row as it is 1 x plus y minus z. Second row becomes second row element minus first row element, 1 minus 1, 0. Y plus z minus x minus y, plus y minus y cancel, that is z minus x. Minus x minus of minus plus z, that is z minus x, or minus x plus z. So third row same, z square xy, that is x minus y minus z into x minus z minus x common in the second row, take outside, z minus x take outside. So first row 1 x plus y minus z, 0 1 1 z square xy. So expand along R1, expand along R1. So plus minus plus, that is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into 1 into, so delete first column, xy minus z square, xy minus z square. Next minus of x plus y into, delete first one, second column, 0 minus z, minus z into, delete first one, third column, 0 minus z, that is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy minus z square minus x, minus into minus, plus zx minus y into minus z plus yz minus z into minus z plus z square. So that is z square get cancel, that becomes x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into remaining xy plus yz plus zx, xy plus yz plus zx. So this is RHS. Question number 9. Question number 10. First one. Prove that determinant of x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x. So these are the two factors. Here prove that determinant of x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. Here RHS, observe the RHS, 5x plus 4 is the one common factor, 4 minus x is the second factor. So how to get 5x plus 4 common along any one row or any one column? Suppose R1 plus R2, here R1 is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So first row element, second row first element, third row first element, add these three elements, x plus 4 plus 2x, that is 5x plus 4, we get the common element, 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x, 5x plus 4 common, 2x plus 2x plus x plus 4, 5x plus 4 common. So therefore here LHS is equal to, so this one, apply the property, R1 is R1 plus R2 plus R3, so this becomes x plus 4 plus 2x, that is 5x plus 4, 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x, 5x plus 4, 2x plus x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Second row, third row same, so 2x, x plus 4, so 2x, x plus 4. So if there is a common factor along any row or column, we can take outside. Here 5x plus 4 take outside, 5x plus 4 take outside. So first row becomes 1, 1, 1. So 2x, x plus 4. So 2x, x plus 4. Already I told you, so whenever each element in the first row are 1, 1, 1, we use the properties. C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1. So therefore here apply C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1. So applying these two properties, so 5x plus 4 outside, first column as it is, second column element minus first column element 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x, 2x minus 2x 0. Next column 3 is column 3 minus column 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 2x minus 2x 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x. So one side of the principal diagonal, all elements are zeros, then the value of determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements. So therefore that value is 5x plus 4 into product of the principal diagonal elements, 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x. So that is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x is 4 minus x whole square. So you have to prove 4 minus x whole square. So that is 4 minus x whole square. So this is RHS. Here prove 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Tenth second question. Determinant of y plus k, y plus k, y is equal to determinant of, so value is k square into 3y plus k. So this is also same, first one. So your RHS is k square is one factor and 3y plus k. How to get 3y plus k is the common factor along any one row or any one column. Suppose adding column 1 element, column 2 element, row 1, row 2, row 3, first elements, adding these three, y plus k plus y plus y, 3y plus k, or column 1 element, column 2 element, column 3 element, adding these three, again we get 3y plus k. So we can apply any one. So apply C1 is C1 plus C2 plus C3, or R1 is R1 plus R2 plus R3, no problem. So take this is LHS. LHS is equal to, so apply this property, C1 is C1 plus C2 plus C3. Your first column becomes same, y, second column also same, y, third column elements are, C1 is, first column elements are column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. First column element is y plus k plus y plus y. So that is 3y plus k, y plus k plus y, 3y plus k, y plus y plus k, 3y plus k. Here observe this. Adding these three means what? First column first element, second column first element, third column first element. Adding these three you get 3y plus k. Next column 1 second element, column 2 second element, column 3 third element, second element. So we get 3y plus k. Column 1, that is third element, column 1 third element, column 2 third element, column 3 third element. Adding these three we get 3y plus k. So column 3 same. So y plus k. So 3y plus k take outside. So 3y plus k take outside. So remaining in first column 1 1 1. So y plus k, y plus k. So whenever each element in the first column is 1 1 1, make these two as zeros. So using the properties, R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 is R3 minus R1. Here apply the property, R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 is R3 minus R1. So using these two properties, so that is 3y plus k into first row as it is 1 y, second row is second row element minus first row element. So 0, y plus k minus y, k, y minus y, 0. Third row is third row minus first row, 1 minus 1, 0, y minus y, 0, and y plus k minus y is k. So again, on one side of the, below the principal diagonal, all elements are zeros, therefore the value of determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements. That is 3y plus k into 1 into k, product of the principal diagonal elements, that is 3y plus k into k square. So that is k square into 3y plus k. So that is the value of this determinant. So that is the 10th problem. Question number 11. First one, prove that determinant of a minus b minus c 2a. Next 2b, b minus c minus a, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, c minus a minus b is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c, whole cube. So this is the proof. So how to get a plus b plus c common when we adding 3 rows or adding 3 columns? So take this is LHS is equal to, suppose here a minus b minus c, first row first column first element, second row first element, third row first element. Adding these 3, here a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c. So minus 2b minus b is plus b, a plus b minus c plus 2c is plus c. We get a plus b plus c. So therefore apply the property R1 is R1 element plus R2 element plus R3 element, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this becomes, first row becomes a plus b plus c, 2a plus b minus c minus a plus 2c. Second we get a plus b plus c, 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b. Again we get a plus b plus c. Second row same, 2b, b minus c minus a. So 2b, so 2c, c minus a minus b. So in the first row a plus b plus c is a common factor. Take outside, that is a plus b plus c. Take outside. So remaining 1, 1, 1. So 2b, b minus c minus a. So 2b, 2c, c minus a minus b. When we observe this, here the first row each element is 1, 1, 1. Make these two as zeros using the property c2 is c2 minus c1 and c3 is c3 minus c1. So using these two properties, so that becomes a plus b plus c into, so first column as it is 1 2b 2c. Second column is 1 minus 1 0, b minus c, b minus c minus a minus 2b, that is minus a minus b minus c, that is minus of a plus b plus c. And third one is 2c minus 2c 0. Next column 3 is column 3 minus column 1 0. So 2b minus 2b 0. So c minus a minus b minus 2c, that is minus a minus b minus c, minus of a plus b plus c. So therefore minus of a plus b plus c. So that is again one side of the principal diagonal, all elements are above the principal diagonal, all elements are zeros. The value of determinant is a plus b plus c into plus into minus into minus, minus into minus into plus. Okay now, so 1 into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c is a plus b plus c whole square, minus into minus plus. So that is a plus b plus c whole cube, that is RHS. 11th second question. So 11th second bit, determinant of, prove that x plus y plus 2z xy z y plus z plus 2x y z x z plus x plus 2y. Prove that this one is 2 into x plus y plus z whole square whole cube. Again, how to get x plus y plus z common? Suppose are 2 into x plus y plus z. Here x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y, that means column 1 first element, column 2 first element, column 3 first element, adding these three c1 c2 c3, so x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y plus 2z. So 2 into x plus y plus z is common factor. Therefore your LHS is this one. So you are applying column 1 is column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, column 1 first element, column 2 first element, column 3 first element, adding these three, so we get 2 times of 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Next, adding these three, column 1 second element, column 2 second element, column 3 second element, adding these three, again 2x plus 2y plus 2z is the common factor. Next, column 1 third element, column 2 third element, column 3 third element, adding those three, again we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So second column same, y plus z plus 2x x, third column same, y z plus x plus 2y. In the first column 2x plus 2y plus 2z is common, that is 2 into x plus y plus z, take outside. First column becomes 1 1 1, so x y plus z plus 2x x y z plus x plus 2y. So whenever we have all the elements in the first column are 1 1 1, so make these two as zeros using the properties r2 is r2 minus r1 and r3 is r3 minus r1. So using these properties, that is 2 into x plus y plus z into determinant of, so first row as it is 1 x y, second row becomes 1 minus 1 0, y plus z plus 2x minus x, that is x plus y plus z, y minus y 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0, z plus x plus 2y minus y, z plus x plus 2y minus y, that is also x plus y plus z. So observe, below the principal diagonal all elements are zeros. The value of determinant is 2 into x plus y plus z into product of the principal diagonal element. 1 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z is x plus y plus z into whole square. So that is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. So that is RHS. So these are the problems. Okay, so I will discuss next problems in the next video. So thank you.